Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix battery icon missing on your laptop. So first and foremost, what you have to do is come below at the search bar, type in device manager, and you will see device manager under control panel. Go ahead and open it. As you do that, you will see a page like this. Now in here, click on anywhere and type in B. You will get into batteries, double click onto it. Now in my case, I have two things here. Let's go ahead and update this one first. Right click onto it, select update driver, and select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and select the one that is available under model and select next. Once this is done, close it. Now again, you have to select the batteries and select this one and update it. Update driver, browse my computer, let me pick from a list of drivers, select the one that's under model, select next, and then close it. Once you have done it, go ahead, restart your device, and this will fix the problem.